Everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today's video is going to be about some of the foods that I'm completely obsessed with because I get them over and over again because they're good and they're delicious actually, and then how I'm going to make meals out of these. Okay, so let's start with the coffee because that's not really meals, but I'll have it with my breakfast. So this has 10 cups of coffee in it, so I'm going to obviously get 10. Oh, by the way, I spent $80 for everything you're going to see. But I'm hoping to get, quite a few meals out of this. I'm going to write things down as I go along and figure out how many meals I get. But this was part of the 80, so I'm putting that in there even though it's not, like I said, necessarily part of meals. Okay, so 10, and this was on sale for $6.99. And I don't remember all the prices, guys, but I know that this is going to serve 2, all right? And then with this, I can have some spaghetti because this actually angel hair pasta, it says that there is 4 servings in here, but honestly I would get way more than 4 servings out of this angel hair pasta. I'd probably get like at least 6 or even 8. Okay, so if I mix that and that, let's pretend that's just 4, okay, and pretend there's 2, but so we're going to take 2 out of this. Okay, so we're just going to say that that is really only 4. So we're taking 2 out of that. We got 2 left, right? And we got 2 here, and then we've got the sauce that on the back of it says 4 servings. Okay, no, 5 servings. So we'll take 2 out of that. So that's a meal right there. So there's 2 meals. We still got some left over and left over here. So let me write that down. We got 2 meals so far. Okay, I put the kielbasa away because we're done with that. Okay, so I still got 3 servings out of that, 2 out of that. Okay, so we've got this hamburger. Okay, I'm going to break it in half. So that is going to make 1, 2, let's say 2 really fat cheeseburgers. Okay, so let me go ahead and write that. Because I already have cheese in my refrigerator. I have some like shredded cheese that I got the other day for fajitas, okay? So I do have some stuff in the refrigerator. And even if I didn't want to put cheese on it, that's still 2 hamburgers, okay? And I don't usually eat bread, so that's just like 2 hamburgers, without the bread. Alright, and then that's 2 fat hamburgers too, because that's a good size hamburger. Now this half is going to probably, I'll fry it up, okay? And I'll use the 2 servings out of there, and then the 3 more servings out of there. So we've got 1, 2. So I already wrote the cheeseburgers down. So this is going to give me 2 more meals. This side of the I hope I'm saying this right, but anyway, that's going to give me 2 more meals. So I'm going to fry that half up. Here's 2 servings left over on there. There's really 3 servings left over on there, but I want some more sauce. So we got 2 more meals. And how I'm going to handle that is I'm going to take that hamburger apart and I'm going to freeze it. So I'm going to freeze half of it for the 2 spaghetti servings, and I'll freeze the other 2 things for cheeseburgers when I want them. So we've got 6 meals so far out of that $80. Okay? So now this says that this is serving for 3. Okay? So we've got a serving for 3, so that's 3 meals, because this says that this is also serves about 3.5. These peas, okay? Alright, so now we've got 3 more meals, because I'm not gonna, I could add some spaghetti to that too. I can kind of mix and match, but if I only want the vegetables and the chicken, I've got 3 meals. Okay, so now we got the eggs, okay? I took them out of their package and I took the date off of the piece of, the box that came in. So they're good till June 9th. And I put them in this thing that I got at the Dollar Tree, okay? So, if you really want to say that I'm only going to have 1 egg a day, that's 12 breakfasts. But realistically, I'm going to have 2 eggs if I'm going to have eggs. So that's 6 breakfasts, because I can make it with the pancakes, okay? I can do, now this says it has about 40 pancakes in it, okay? So we won't even really, we can do so much with this, okay? So pretend I'm going to have 2 eggs for every time I, make the meal, and I'm going to have a pancake with it, okay? So it's 6. I take 6 out of that. We still got 34 pancakes left, but we got 6 meals. Okay, we're going to leave those pancakes out because we still have 34 pancakes left, okay? All right, so now I'm going to take some of the stuff out. These were 2 for $6. That I do remember, okay? I got this Lean Cuisine chicken enchilada suiza, I think that's called. And I already ate this. This is roasted turkey breast. And this was actually really, really delicious and very filling. So there's 2 meals right there. I already ate one. And when I was saying servings, guys, we're going to count the servings as meals. Like if you want 2 servings, obviously you're going to count that, add the meal in, you know. If you're a bigger eater, I'm trying to be a smaller eater now. Okay, guys, and then I got the OJ. This was also 2 for $6. Obviously, we're not going to count this as meal, but it's going to go with the meals that I just talked about. So, and it says that each one gives 7 servings, but I love my OJ, so more than likely I won't get 7 servings out of that. I'll probably get like 5 because I love my OJ. Okay, now let me get this egg box out of here because we already talked about the eggs. So that's getting out of the picture there. Alright, so now we have, oh, I better put these back in the freezer. Here's 4 more breakfasts. So these are the stuffed hash browns by Jimmy Dean. And these are so delicious, guys. You may have heard me talking about these before, but we want to talk about obsessed, okay? I am obsessed with these, okay? I am completely and totally obsessed with these. And there's 4 more breakfasts because you can just eat one of these and feel full. But, again, I got the pancakes if I want to add. So let's take away 4 of those pancakes. Now we got 30 left, so we've got a pancake with each one of these. So there's 4 more meals. Okay, guys, and if my math serves me correctly now, like I said, we got 30 pancakes left, okay? Now, I buy these Toll House semi-sweet minis, and this will last me maybe even more than a month, okay? Maybe even 2 months, okay? It's going to last, because let's take these 30 pancakes. Say if I want to have a pancake for later on for dessert or something, because pancakes are so good, right? I put these in the pancake mix. When I'm making the pancakes, I put the chocolate chips in there, and it's so good. I mean, and sometimes if I have bananas, I'll put bananas and chocolate chips in the pancakes. So now, let's just say we've got, out of those 30, 10 more pancakes, right? That might not be a meal, but it will be dessert, so we'll say like 10 desserts. And plus I put these in my coffee sometimes. When the coffee's coming down really hot in the machine, I'll add some of these chips to it. So these chips, I get a lot of use out of these, and they last, like I said, a while. Okay, so if my math is correct, we're down to 20 pancakes. This says it has how many servings in it? About 2.5 servings. So I'm going to probably use that for smoothies though, but if I wanted to, I could add it to the top of the pancakes. So just say if I added it to the top of 3 pancakes, because I'll make it stretch further than that. So now I've got 3 more pancakes, okay? And with that on it, that's actually really a good breakfast, okay? That will really, really fill you up. So we're going to take let's say 4. So we've got 4 more pancakes. We're using 4 more with that on it. So that's, like I said, that's going to fill you up. So we got 4 more breakfasts. That's meals. Now, if I didn't want to use the fruit for the pancakes and just kept the pancakes plain, you know, with nothing, just the chocolate chips which they're like I said, absolutely delicious, I have these. So we've got 6 more desserts because I could pour this on top of that with this, and I also use that in my coffee too. When I don't have any cream, I'll put a little bit of milk and I'll add that. And then we're getting down to the wire, guys. So now we've got 6 of the rice pudding, and then we've still got this left over that you can put on top of the rice pudding. So we've got 6 more desserts. Plus I bought 2 of these, so we've got 8 more desserts. Okay, guys, so out of that I got 19 meals, and I got, let me count the desserts, and I got 24 desserts. Now that's if you stick to the servings. Like I said, if you want doubles, obviously you're not going to get 19 meals and 24 desserts. But I think that's actually really, really good for $80. Plus, I didn't even count the fact that I have so much more pancakes left over. Okay, so I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make myself a nice strawberry shortcake, but it's actually not really totally, I don't even think there's any strawberries in there. There's blueberries, sweet cherries, blackberries, and raspberries. Okay guys, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go into the bag and I'm going to get some of this stuff out. Put it right on top there. I could put it in my mixer if I really wanted to get it nice and like, you know, like watery, kind of juicy kind of thing. But I'm not gonna right now because I'm in such a hurry to eat this because I'm so starving for my dessert because I haven't had one. And to me, because of the berries in it, to me that's kind of like a, I know I probably shouldn't say this, but there is healthy parts of this dessert. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. And I forgot to say, I am obsessed with a strawberry shortcake. Like I said, this isn't strawberries. That's not the spoon I'm going to use, obviously. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And thank you so much again. I probably said that 5 times for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. And I hope you got some ideas on how to budget and how to make the meals. Thank you. Bye now.